No. The physical fitness, the mental fitness, and then the match fitness. The three are not the same. So, which me are physically fit, I'll be me a two-maker if we are a call, then it comes to match fitness. Match fitness, which I say, ball now, or skills, no. How is it like? And no, I share team, Nipano Air Boss, is a minim team, and they access so, now for trial matches. And after mental fitness, say BBA mental state near very strong. Then another factor, no, as a coach, depending on strategy, no, so no be team no one buana because every coach be a equal strategy, and every player be a one year or they ba team nim. Enti also coach no say the strategy ukrano ebeboa se ode ne beka ho ana. So all these factors, no, they are technical factors. Yentime nya no speculation. Oh, okay, onkobo. I think it goes beyond that.
Interesting. Opening last time I call World Cup, ni bi no na de enkoye. Next one yankobi. I feel na ekwan bia ye kwa kobobi. Aye on one say free say World Cup ni nya bi mbobiem.
Oh, say. Sa 2014 World Cup no. Emunsam doso. 3.1. Matro book crab and yes say na me release.
Oh, okay. On 2014 World Cup, no?
And other issues.
Okay.
I was me na me were very high confidence and team no beat me actually. And that confidence, no, then your confidence who akwa go beat me your confidence so you quite money and when you ask one day. But that confidence the kind of team na you war. Now sure match I need Germany a boy I about 2-2 no. FIFA technical team made up of all the big coaches of the world. A assessment. No, say that match was the best match of the tournament. It is a FIFA technical team. Etimia Bekan said that match was the best match of the tournament. Germany Ubia Etimia and show 2 goals. Omuno winning that World Cup. And then no on board 2-2. 2-2 no crano. ANKRAH was here winning 2-1. That should tell you, said confidence and now you move be your one, no justified. But unfortunately, no issues outside the team, the playing, ebe affect team, no. Ibine say this issue of appearance fees, na enye clear because na 2000 first World Cup 2006, you more 50,000 as appearance fee. $. And in South Africa, almost 75,000. And the third one, almost on per 100,000. Now appearance fee, no, and the Black Stars budget, the core tournament. You see, there are 2 budgets. They are the core tournament, and then they are buying edema for supporters. They are the core tournament, you know, are buying a ball. If you know the ministry, no bosia. Your ball tournament, we are FIFA each year. And the players' argument, they say. Sikano yen na ye ball nti sikano e ba e was yes you nya ye chefa and I buy so say time 2014 e call IMF and I buy sa ho chaba o manim nti 75,000 na mo je no the previous one mo so musa and e koye twema nti ase and I FA said no omo de omo sponsorship money from GMPC e be ka ho 17,500 na ba be 82,500 into Munsumsa. But first and then no fair because Sebio from 50,000, 75,000 it's a shabo man now presidents will be entitled on the belt. Now more national team players, but the moon saw 82,500 Musa. I thought it was very fair. Almost almost just said. And that decision and your decision the whole FA share cabinet. The president will be all the ministers in and a decision he take here. Enti eba ne sa no na team no call Montenegro for training. Na mka champion for say the way I dey no na see any team na omo ne omo kasa se be anti ase be na adwuma. Enti Honorable Edu Asare and Dr. Mustafa Ahmed and omo call Montenegro need players ni ko share 3 days. Players in such in Monte ase just omo 100,000. Enti free one your best thing call Holland for training. After second day, and I'm share me from 5 Musketeers, Sule, Asamoah-Gyan, Dede, na 5 of them. I'm say, how many junior players now can say I just 100,000. I'm say, a president take a decision, cabinet decision. There's nothing I can do about it. Name focus focus in a qualifier. I can assure them say minimum some I'm a country president. Ombinya crab and abrosa. And near you could do America. America still almost answer mommy. And you could do Brazil. What people do not know is before the first match, you know, almost first says almost 100,000 almost match.
Ghana and the US,
Yes.
Players no threaten says
yes. Imagine if you were there as a minister, the whole World Cup.
The biggest stage in football.
I mean, how?
What's a Ghana for boss who said team that
you know? And I'm so fortunately now, His Excellency Misata Honorable represent Ghana, and Joe Biden no say a vice president. Minim Sanko Babi the president. Because I'm your chain. I'm going to try photo crash and a number. And okay, you share difference no. And no, you calculate difference. My name ya Boatin Jan Nikuhuno. No, say okay, I'll be making sure so many scano. And she or by training field, and I have all the pictures and videos. And I'll be sure my boss don't get 100,000. So that should tell you the level of the crisis. So cabinet decision, but looking at the situation, he had to overturn that cabinet decision just to satisfy them. Afi, you know your ball first match here. So come now Unibank any FA no our arrangement say sikebia baby and be fa card so at the moment. Now Unibank a test. Emma players ni be players be 10. Near more will be 5,000. Now players said they were not able to assess the money. It is a sad year, and the way I had that but the main issue was almost say I that
and Montenegro
and then 75 and 82.5 you know. They are not sure say Sikano for banker on 100,000. The only way they can be sure so many 100,000 said they want cash. That is the root of the issue. What I say? It's your honor. I was torn between or find a way to manage the situation. To be fair, national security. We have a problem.
Like Bevlo Latte.
No, Saturday Yadonko.
Okay.
I'm chief, we have a problem. This is the situation. No, it's okay, but is the money available? Yeah, the money is available. And your coffee is cano. And arrangements to bring the money. Now, what people also get wrong, they say, Sikane smuggle. Every tournament, we carry money. Whether it's best or not, that's a different matter. FIFA was aware. We told them we have a crisis, so we are bringing money. Brazilian national security, Brazilian immigration, Brazilian customs, they were aware. And we think almost follow yet. A year won't document. Sika smuggle one will be say I won't document that. But by that time, no, now no, now a tene. That's how come it became ANKRAH. It would have been anybody or Unima Memo if anybody tells you, even between banks, they say we don't move money between countries, then the person doesn't even know what he's talking. It happens always, but it has to follow proper procedure, and we followed all the procedure. It's a honor and I mean no more problem because I say, look, this is the biggest stage in the world, as she said. Qualified pay. That's it. Your life has changed. We're to different level. And you focus and let's qualify. As for the money, you will get it. Even when you qualify, I'm a culture president. You will even get more. You just focus. Almost say, and as someone was their captain, or say they cannot concentrate because the money issue has become a distraction. Until they get the money, they can concentrate.
Honorable AFRIYIE ANKRAH, Obeka says, Sasi Kasemwe, and then your mayor course Abonteno, and the Queen of Brazil 2014.
Of course, what else? That was the issue.
The quality of team and
you see,
how do you feel personally?
Oh, that was when, you see, coming to this matter. It took a certain commission. No?
Yeah.
Now, you be some no. If you can get that video, and Justice Jamefe, me relatives and some way, you know, said, so how did you feel? And at that time, no, now me kaya, because I talked to them and said, Charlie, you guys just go and play and deliver. You will get your money, and I'll talk to the president, because before Germany match, you know, President Nyomo Kasai, I called the president, put him on speaker in the dressing room. He spoke to them. So you get your money. Just go and play. And you know, they missed training. Yes.
It drew some level.
Yes. They boycotted training.
Timbako, first match against US, some boycotting. Yes. President Nyo Makasa, Vice President Nyo Makasa, still a man training.
Yes. They missed training. And you see, there's a science to sports training. Before a match, there was maybe 2 intensive trainings. Now, if you want about trial match, around 1 intensive, 1 trial match. Then following on a low key training. Then on the day of the match and a day before the match, no stretching. Then you condition the body, the muscles, who may say one pair in the course of the match, you have muscle cramps. Me catch you, say, if you miss training, almost say they are the professionals. Once the money thing is affecting their concentration. So once they get the money, they will be okay and they will go and play. I should leave that one to them. And they got the money and cased the money. Yeah, and went, and we all saw the result. So that was when the judge asked me, sir, so how did I feel? That was when I broke down. It wasn't about them. I could no. When you play the tape, you see it. Because I felt, it was such a huge opportunity to give glory to your country. Mwankasa Mokaria, it will change forever. So ask yourself, since that tournament, where are all those people? Apart from Dede,
it's not been good.
Now who caused them?
So against Zambia or Krumha, now
Egypt.
Zambia.
Okay.
Before going to play the playoff.
Yeah, Egypt near sure must this one.
Yeah, but the biggest game I boy our group was the Zambia one.
Yeah.
Now Okoba, you were all involved. Wako Pesika or corporate Ghana how BBI ready. Wako president cabinet BBI fade. You are say the Sika Kotokube $2,000. Where the Sika na Odi could draw us Cano Oto Ediane. The big cross with this Queens celebrities are Kogu Brazil or Bobo Nibi. And I would that baby na team that baby no more sofa. On about an hour yeah bonisa.
Oh my sir. Ghana. Oh no. This country is interesting. Said the Osika, you know. So this is it. It was just 10 seconds. Bisa a question. Na me kai. Missed an opportunity. Because I was very convinced to say, you qualify, Anka. Charlie, the sky would have been our limit. Because Germany won that tournament. Yeah. And said this was it. 10 seconds. I didn't shame. I said, Charlie, these guys, they lost guard. Back to, at that time, no, we were going to IMF. And I buy so Nisika for supporters. And I'm the president. Kufuor, Olman, or the supporters choir. Professor Mills, Omar, the supporters choir. Branty, and don't forget, I was the president's campaign manager in 2012. Yeah. So one for one choir, on Mestro. No, Branty, I went to me. And she's give me the chance. Me background your events. Now me raise funds from corporate Ghana. Also, yeah, sure, me say, I say, okay, if you can. Now me share. To me share, Zenith Bank, the man is first. And I ADB account. And the account, you know, you creating in such a way, so you creating it to say a buy account. I wasn't a signatory. Answer now, over access can just go through all the processes to say they are buying Sika. And you just it you do baby no pressure no does because Obia per se me the letter back and answer me by Jiska. I just say me ba. Now me the camera idiomachi because what will the corporate entity get? What they get is the publicity and the exposure.
The mileage that.
And a committee, you know, the idea by say, let's get celebrities into your honor celebrities na ebemono. No more instead of spending 24/7 chasing money. Now I have other things to do. No more inquire on our behalf. And they say, okay, so how would we get them to do it? And they say, okay, we'll make them ambassadors. So, it's committee na the list, you know, a buyer. And I approve here. It's approve here, no, and a event while about the beach. And a more certificate as ambassador and the shatter while now all they were there. Azuma no nyina and your mom assignment the letter ma wa call the agreement ne say we a Flagstaff House Emrana Andre no mo said there was a time and now they said they had left the team I the who president na president ne kasai that's it enti that I understand ne say wo bit me a raise sika de abano wo benefit ne say ubenya free tickets because wa copy skaba accommodation and access to match. Those were the benefits because celebrity on any time. And yes, and you receive over 4.5 million Ghana cedis. So that was the money the supporters.
Where Jackie Apia.
Meanwhile, no, where Becca.
Sure.
And that was the first time I share Jackie Apia. Me man a certificate. I mean share I mean him no call madam for. No, he say. Niya ye nyinano na itia amanfo bi na so because the traveling no a big business for some people. Me I was thinking of supporters take them just take them and let them go in because ubekaya South Africa okay say ye call ye no amanfo begu elwak confusion na mo local government and na ye suma me say I should go and see to the evacuation. It's me call me me investigate them say some of the travel and tour companies be I am no quota for nipa 500 or official supporters no afa 300 200 na kan ye onwa ne nkofo or gigi or musika for visa $2,000 $3,000. Imagine $2,000 times 100, so it's big money. But it's now official supporters now because will be free breakum sampa sunyane afia denima ababeda stadium will be unfair no. So those were the official government supporters. A job be good one they don't know. Government was now forced to look for money again and send them. You see the strategy? It's me who said I'm saying no. Because of that experience, companies apply. It's by 11 companies in Troy. And you shortlisted 3, and you say, "Omunye Juma together." A whole number of problems, because now man it's your coy na issues near na buy no, just someone yummy. Serious issues. Oh, person me revealing near my ready to reveal until later. Later na maybe who say Sana, there was a whole agenda. Ibini said, I was becoming too powerful, I was becoming too popular, and some just all kinds of rubbish.
Presidential ambitions.
Oh, massa. Hey, to the extent, so I'm person me contest against JM Crowd 2014. Hello. How? Even 2022 crowd man no mark but she one gallon crowd won't think like that. How much more? It's okay. People all right. One day I told my wife, say, now, sir, me say, na on country me. Na me number be a debiana 80. There was no issue about Kube. When him, me num Kube normal. Me ne other officials near to any nom Kube. I dare chain am who some way trap. And I'm there about one newspaper. Front page. Nom si akwa to Kube. I think it be said $200. It be said complete rubbish. This is it. This is Kwesi Ahoy. This is another person. Could be less than $1. A tree answer na me baby who said, "Your boy, unfortunately, some of your colleagues your boy mopa. Your car brand new Hyundai, SUV. Emma Bakon, Emma Nisika 6 times said they should go after me." Later no nipa no idea to now babe confess between ono ni nyame and na omo create stories e bi nie it was sure when you watch the committee report video no and there was nothing about because it was not an issue it didn't even there's no issue a complete fabrication. Number 2 almost say one of the actress no menene could die na man $20,000. Now say na Sebio in person go be 70. Sebio na say near Fako heaven. Nipa no Misha na only once.
Na unim no
in Brazil, Misha wo nyame. say event centers. All these places, not Ghana for you. Fortunately for me, I never saw her. Because me share me picture. Me share na me hu me Nico share we am one so one suppose. No nya madam for me need a number. Complete fabrication. 3. You see my wife na no ye caterer.
With the contract ni na man aduane and the players ni there, supporters there, Belo Horizonte, or free hano koha, or tomatoes 10,000. No Tonya do $12,000. You see can them say just deep
just say it complete madness. Complete. My wife said you on your caterer. Caterers 3.1. Caterers committee and a short list your mo. Now Mrs. Kwashiga can't be. Mrs. Kwashigo. Yeah. Because now that experience, Kenke Boutique, any others. The only reason why my wife went and said, you see him 2 weeks. Nani World Cup. Intimignano. And then no, me and I'm to airport to go. Absolutely, just say
no. Ghana contingent. No.
Absolutely not. No. Baby, I hear mayor in that city in my accommodation. So I just say absolutely not. Me. And then the 4 farms say me mommy. And I need ton replica jerseys.
Yeah, Ghana replica jerseys. None of paraphernalia, no.
Me mommy, so for or London. She's been in London for the past 54 years. Name the difference between a penalty kick and a free kick. Me catch and replica. Say I don't know. What is that? Absolutely no idea.
Yeah, I'm ANKRAH. So many years, Kabibre, no name China or Jiska.
ANKRAH. I owe my brother Yao a big apology. Because ANKRAH didn't benefit at all when I was a minister. Or benefiting and coming in a movie. Tournament no coy no. A super sport ne sponsor ni Bibia.
Honorable ELVIS AFRIYIE Who knew a tournament? Who say you now didn't coy?
No.
Why is Shana man the $5,000?
No. No. Well, you're professional. You know where you came from. Yeah. Came from BBC. Super Sports. And a sponsor. Everything like BPA Super Sport. If I were ANKRAH, would you offer to go to Super Sport? Me kaya so encore. Or not there any beach soccer near you. I don't know. Maybe he should have gone. But so these are all fabrications. And amunia media or answer no babe cancer no. Okay, so me promising to send me money in public. And once I've given my word, I can't mention his name. Yeah. But I'm sure you all know. Yeah. This is what happened. They bought a car for him. I know the people who bought a car for him gave him money 6 times. But no money now, they are trouble because you see me now I'm unbreakable. So that's it.
Your family, your idea unbreakable.
If you try to break me, I'm like a seed.
You generate.
I'm moving on, cry to the next level.
Yeah, World Cup no but you have chances to say. Football no when it does with the
I think for me it's all about preparation. Preparation is the key. You prepare ye. Now you focus. Now team in the camp you make sure say camp there are no distractions. Those are boys no matter one thing. If you give them the chance, what I say, they will go on back camp no more focus. Wow. There was also another issue. And later people wanted to use me to remove Munyantechi. And my posture was, we have a World Cup. What did I say? Focus on the World Cup. With a real World Cup now, if there are any issues, we'll look at it. How can you be a minister of sports now by only a fake? You don't understand management, you don't understand leadership. You see, people say something in terms of a professional relationship. Maza, me bomb where FA no money take cover. Why me? I don't spare them, but it also doesn't mean say they be now no more banter publicly. Doesn't make sense.
No.
Would we have qualified? Do they know how we qualified?
3.1. Yeah, I mean maybe I will be a chow. I can qualification as anything. Honorable, yeah, be African Games next year.
Yeah.
And I'm sure I know who here kakra. But man, your my course no say nyamiani no kwenu wani tuabi.
I actually haven't followed. Now we are a farmer, some say yeah, Baba African. And I'm saying, African Games near Baba na minimi. It seems as if said the country, there's nothing really going on because a major tournament. ANKRAH was said by now. No, you see, BBC, you have to mobilize the country and the citizens. So, me whosa mobilization, and I mean how far they've gone with the construction and all those things. In fact, we need a lot of information about that.
Local league, funding the league has become a problem.
I'll show them. You know, sir, one of the initiatives I had to buy, they said, Okamba supporters, the way I will raise funds. And Ukraine sabotage people more. We would have gotten more money. If I tell you some of the things that happen. For example, the dinner or a friend saying State House. That dinner was supposed to be live. And indeed it was live for 10-15 minutes. It's all true and I'm for say live. Your point I'm a check here. Obi say order from above. Say me. What the president was there? Who is above the president? And no more me book number out in the next 4 years, sir. Now to book advance copies. Live coverage.
President or programmer say State House. BBA come up national team.
Yes.
You start your state broadcaster 10-15 minutes.
Yes.
Order from above the president.
Yes.
I'm some party no I am for bonne pa.
Why am I in a bonnet?
Now president na person didn't not just a baby.
My trust president. Did you know how I became into the full-time politics? You will be surprised. I was SRC president, Nooks coordinating secretary. Me masters. Na me ECOWAS. I had actually gone to ECOWAS, submitted my CV and everything, waiting for them to write to me. That's how my ambition is ECOWAS, UN. That was my plan. Uncle Atuahoe, the frame, said, Prof is coming back. So I should come and help with the campaign. Convincing me. That's how I started. And after that, come and become a deputy general secretary. Oh, okay. Now, Makoye. After that, local government minister. After that, come and be the campaign coordinator. So I didn't come into this politics with an agenda. I mean, just so be or no, none papa a president. If he collaborate with an join so and changes or the president. No, that's not my plan. No, at all. If you really want to know what I want to do, you see the things I've been doing at KNUS, speaking to students. Me here sponsorship. I would rather spend more of my time traveling around the country, around the world, and changing the mindset of people. I get more satisfaction from that. But when I say a bed in beer, then you do it to the best of your ability.
So the final words.
80 Ghana sports. Before that, there's a way we can fund our sports. When I was a minister, Magdan tennis, I introduced it.
Wow.
The idea was that each of the major corporate entities in one spot. Now you cancel, you World Tennis Federation because of the car. So I called Coleman. Now I said, take them to Magdan. Now Magdan sponsor paid, and then Magdan tennis. So the idea was boxing will look for sponsors. Football will look for sponsors. Other sports, every corporate entity. That's how it's done all over the world. But, they should come and see me. They say me a consultant.
ELVIS AFRIYIE ANKRAH, former minister for